my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let we start GK Unit 1, Nature, Chapter number 1, Fabulous Fish. Choose the right answer from the options provided below each. Number 1. Which of the following is a fish? Option B. Which of the following is a fish? Which is the only known fully warm-blooded fish? Option C. Opah. Which among these is one of the most poisonous fish in the world? Stonefish. Which of these fish has one of the longest migration routes in water? Option C. European eel. Which among these is known to be one of the fastest fish in the ocean? Option C. Sailfish. Number 6. What is the world's largest living fish? Option A, B or C? Option B. Whale shark. Number 7. Which fish is capable of living out of water for several months? Option B. African lungfish. Which fish can live over 100 years? Rockfish. Ruffy rockfish. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 2. Herbs that cure. Chapter number 2 is herbs that cure. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They have been used as medicines for thousands of years. Read the descriptions and write the names of plants. Number 1. It is popularly known as turmeric. It has blood purifying qualities. It is usually applied on wounds and bruises. It also has anti-allergic properties. It is commonly used as a spice in Indian food. Haldi. It is commonly known as aloe vera. The pulp of this plant is applied on wounds and burn. The juice of its leaf is used to cure constipation, abdominal tumors and liver disorders. It is commonly used in beauty product. ये है wonder plants. Number 3. It is also known as winter cherry. It is a good respiratory stimulant. It increases stamina and boosts immunity. It is also increases hemoglobin. ये है अश्वगंधा. Number 4. It is used for curing arthritis. It also has antiseptic and digestive properties. It is useful in lowering high levels of cholesterol. Eucalyptus. Number 5. It is popularly known as the holy basil. The juice of its leaves is used for curing catarrh and bronchitis. It also reduces stress and enhances immunity along with stamina. Tulsi. It is also known as the Indian gooseberry. It has the ability to rejuvenate all the organ systems of the body. It is the richest natural source of vitamin C. It gives nourishment to skin and hair. Amla. Number 7. It is an effective remedy against hypertension. It is also used for treating insomnia and other mental disorder. Rauwolfia. It is used to boost cognitive ability. It helps in improving memory and reducing anxiety. It is an wine tonic that increases concentration. It is ginseng. My dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number African fauna. Match these African animals with their descriptions by writing the correct letter. of alphabet in each box. It may look like a cat, but it is a member of Viviridae family. Option H, African civet. H. It is a long, thin and highly venomous snake of Africa. Western green mamba. A. Option A. This one. C. It shares symbiotic relationship with red and yellow-billed hornbills. Dwarf mongoose. F. Option F. It has dark plumage with a blue-gray neck and legs instead of pink. Somali ostrich. B. Number 5. It is the largest land animal. African elephant. Obvious. Number 5. African elephant. It has black face and grey body hair. Vervet monkey. Option C. It might look clumsy, but it is swift jumper. Number 7. Option G. Greater kudu. It can live without water for several months comfortably. Common warthog. Option D. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. Read about some magnificent creatures that exist in the world and write their names. The smallest known species is of spider found in South America. Button spider. It is the world's smallest chameleon and can literally fit on the head of a matchstick. This one. Brucacia. Misera. They are the world's smallest species of lemur and are extremely adorable in appearance. मतलब जो देखने में बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं. Mouse lemurs. It is the smallest baton found in Thailand. It grows up to the size of an adult bee only. Kitty's hook-nosed bat. These are miniature monkeys that grow only to about 6 inches in size and look like squirrels. Pygmy marmoset. Number 6. They are the world's smallest dog breed. They are only about 6 to 9 inches tall and weigh between 1 to 4 kilograms only. Chihuahua. This one. Chihuahua. Number 7. It is the lightest and smallest living bird in the world. Because of its size, it is often mistaken as a bee hummingbird. Number 8. This tiny fish is found in Southeast Asia and is roughly the size of a big mosquito. It has the ability to live even in highly acidic water. ये है पेडो सिप्रिस प्रोगेनेटिका. This one. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. Birds all around. Bharat is incredibly rich in bird life. Given below are few bird species found throughout our country. Read the description and write their names. Size 15 centimeter. ID male has a yellow and his heavily streaked female is buffy yellow. Habits gathers in large groups, feed on the ground, builds a unique nest, quite noisy especially during monsoon. ये है बया वीवर. This is Baya V1. Size 17 centimeter. ID blue and green upper parts, pale orange underparts, red legs, blackish beak. Habits are usually solitary or in scattered pairs, never found away from water. Perch on an overhanging branch and dives for fish. ये है kingfisher. Size 13 centimeter. ID greenish upper body, buffy white underbody, a rust red for crown, long pointed tail often held erect. Habits very local, rather common. Amethyst habitation. Tailor bird. Question number 4. Size 25 centimeter. ID dull earth brown above, lightly streaked on back, dark brown tail, yellowish beak. Habits are often found in groups of 6 to 15 birds. Social birds all come together if one in trouble. Very noisy, chirping continuously. Okay, so number 4. Myna. Size 31 centimeter. ID black and white marking on wings and tail. Black tip fell like crest, long gently curved beak. Habits are usually solitary or on scattered pairs. Crosses the ground with its beak to look for insects. Creased is often fan open. ये है हुपोई. Hupoi. H-double-O. Number 6. Size 32 centimeter. ID glossy black, plumage, long, deeply forked tail. Habits usually solitary, sometimes in small parties. Rides are tough raising cattle, looking for insects. It is Spangled Drongo. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. My dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 6. Strange insect. Given below are some strange insects found in the wild. Read the descriptions and write their names using the help box. Given below are some strange insects found in the wild. Read the descriptions and write their names using the help box. Number 1. It is hermit-style insect with a helicopter headgear. The antenna like headgears look like eyes, but they are simply ornamental with no real function. ये है Brazilian tree booper. It is also called cobra moth. It is one of the largest species of moth. Okay, maroon colored with triangular wings. Atlas moth. It is a large variety of flower mannets found mainly in Indonesia and parts of Malaysia. It has 4 walking leg shaped like petals. ये है orchid mantis. Number 4. This insect is almost 8 inches long and covered with hard rippling spikes. When attacked, it releases a chemical that smells like a peanut butter. Giant It is giant prickly stick insect. Number 5. It is a tree hopper and belongs to the family of insects called cicadas. It pierces the plant stems and feeds on the sap. ये है thorn bugs. Number 6. When touch this insect anywhere, it instantly turns its face directly towards the attacker. So it also sprays out a mist of formic acid from the two horns on its back when attacked. So this is postmoth caterpillar. My dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Unusual plants and trees. जिनका कोई use नहीं है. Plants grow in different shapes and size, but there are some plants that stand out because of their peculiarities. Read the clues and name these. The canopy of this tree look like an umbrella. Its shape resembles a dragon's blood. It's deep red even when dried into resin. ये है, this is dragon's blood tree. It is a desert plant found in South Africa, which generally possesses only 2 leaves, but these leaves curl and tangle as plant grows. So it is Welwitschia mirabilis. Mirabilis. Number 3, they are the world's largest tree. They grew to an average height of around 150 to 275 and 20-25 feet in diameter. They grow only in the groves of Syria, Nevada, and California. Okay, so number 3 is giant squoias. Sacuis. This unusual evergreen tree has triangular, spiky, sharp leaves and bears large cones. It is considered as a national tree of Chile. It resembles the tail of an ape. Monkey puzzle tree. This is a sensitive plant because compound leaves fold inward and drop when touched, force shaken, reopening within minute. Number 5, ये है Mimosa pudica. It is Number 6, it is a poisonous plant originated in Mexico. Its leaves are short and they change color from green to red during the summer month and sprout bright yellow flowers during mid-spring. So last one is jelly beans. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. Some plants may look harmless, but they are the most deadly poisonous ever known. Read about these plants and write their names using the help box. It is a beautiful plant known for its striking flowers. Eating it can cause vomiting, diarrhea, erratic pulse, seizures and death. ये है, it is a oleander. Number 2, they are also called Jacurity beans. These sparsely named seeds contain abrim, an extremely deadly ribosome inhibiting protein. Number 2, rosemary pea. Number 3, it is an attractive plant native to Africa. They naturally contain the poison resin and are deadly in small amounts. Number 3, castor bean. It is a North American herb with flat-topped clusters of small white flowers and contains a toxic alcohol known as tremartin. White snake. Found in the waste areas of central and southern Eurasia, this deadly plant has dull green leaves and shiny black berries. Its consumption can cause paralysis in the involuntary muscles of the body. Number 5 is nightshade. Nightshade. It is a large white flower in the carrot family and is often confused with edible parsnips or celery. It is infused with deadly cytotoxin, especially in its roots. Water hemlock. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. Animal adaptation. Adaptation is a physical or behavioral characteristics that enables an organism to better survive in its environment. Read about some animals' adaptations and write their names. Number 1, this animal lives in desert and can stay without food and water for many days. It is called the sheep of the desert, camel. This animal lives in the cold regions. It has a white fur that acts as a camouflage in ice and snow. Polar bear. Number 3. This is a kind of fish. It produces electric current to protect itself from its enemy. Electric ray. If a predator grabs the tail of this creature, its tail breaks off harmlessly, making escape easy. Gecko. This animal changes its colors to match its surroundings. This helps in hunting and in saving itself. Chameleon. This is a kind of shellfish that has a strong outer case to prevent it from drying out at low tide and also being smashed by the wave. Limpet. Limpet. This bird dwells in the snowy regions and has thick extra plumage. It fluffs out the feather to trap a layer of air which helps to keep out the cold. Snowy owl. This marine animal is not far at all, but it has about 15 centimeters thick layer of fat under its skin and called blubber to keep its body warm. Walrus. So my dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.